My name is Lily Parker, and this is the story about a rainy night that changed my life, and the boy who became my everything. I am a university student. I love reading books. These days are university holidays. One day, I go to the library to read books. I read for hours. I do not know when I fall asleep. Suddenly, I hear a voice. "The library is closing now. Please leave." I open my eyes, fast. I look around. Nobody is here. I check the time. It is 8 p.m. I walk outside, quickly. Outside, the rain is very heavy. The sky is very dark. I am scared of thunder. I do not have an umbrella. I run to the nearest bus stop. The rain gets stronger. Then I see someone walking towards me. A person holding an umbrella, wearing a black coat and a cap. My heart beats fast. I am scared. The person comes closer. He stops near me. He asks, "Do you need help?" I say quickly, "No, thank you." Then he takes off his cap. I am surprised. I know him. This is Ethan from my college. Ethan Cruz. He never talks to anyone much. Ethan asks again, "Lily, do you need help?" I am shocked. "You? What are you doing here?" Ethan says, "I finish work at this time every day. I always go home this way." "What are you doing here?" I explain everything to him. Ethan says, "If you want, I can take you home. I have an umbrella." I think for a moment. "Okay, thank you." We walk together under one umbrella. The streets are empty. Suddenly, a strong wind comes. The umbrella flies away from his hand. The rain soaks us both. I say quickly, "Wait, give me your phone and purse, or they will get wet." Ethan gives me his phone and purse. I put them inside my bag fast. Ethan says, "Quick, there is a coffee shop ahead. Let us run." We run inside the coffee shop. We are completely wet. We order hot coffee. We sit and drink. We wait for the rain to stop. I say, "Thank you for helping me." Ethan says, with a small smile, "It is okay." We talk a little. I learn that Ethan works at a bookstore. He loves books too. The rain finally stops. We walk outside. I say, "I can go home alone now. You can go home." Ethan thinks for a moment. "If you do not mind, I can walk you home." I say, "Okay." We walk together. He takes me to my door. I say, "Thank you so much, Ethan. Good night." Ethan says and leaves. Good night, Lily. Be safe. The next morning, I wake up. I make breakfast. Then I see my jacket from yesterday. I see something in the pocket. I put my hand inside. I find a phone and a purse. Oh no, this is Ethan's phone and purse. I forgot to give them back. I open the purse. There is some money inside, but no address, nothing. I say to myself, I need to return these to him, but how? I do not know where he lives. Then I remember. Ethan said he goes home past the library every day. That evening, I go to the library. I stay until it gets dark. Then I go to the bus stop. I wait for Ethan. But he does not come. I wait until 9 p.m. Then I go home. The next day, I do the same thing. But Ethan is not there again. I feel worried. His phone and purse are with me. He needs them. I think, what if something bad happened? Then I remember the coffee shop. I run to that coffee shop. The same woman is working there. I ask her, "Excuse me, do you know a boy named Ethan? Tall, black hair, quiet?" She says, "Oh yes, that sweet boy. He lives near here." I say, "Do you know his address? I need to return something to him." She says kindly, "Let me write it down for you." She writes the address on paper. I take it. My heart beats fast. I walk to his house. I stand in front of the door. I knock. Ethan opens the door. He looks very surprised. "Lily?" I say quickly, "Hi, Ethan. I am sorry, but I have your phone and purse. I forgot to give them back that night." I give them to him. Ethan takes them. He smiles. "Thank you so much. I was looking for these everywhere." I say, "I am so sorry. You must have needed them." Ethan says, "It is okay. Please come inside." I go inside. His house is small, but clean. Books are everywhere. I ask, "Do you live alone?" He says, "Yes, my family lives in another city." I say, "Why did you not come past the library these days? I was waiting there." Ethan looks down. Ethan says, "That day, in the rain,